So for our example, we want to find the values of the trigonometric functions as t equals pi along the unit circle. And the first thing we should do here is actually understand what t equals pi along the unit circle looks like. Normally I'd have a graphic just pop up, but this time, because it's our first one, I'm going to put you through the excitement of my ability to draw circles. So, the unit circle, nice thing about it, it's very consistent. You got 1, 1, negative 1, 1, all the radii are 1. Usually it looks more like a circle than a Roswell alien head, but we're going to have to take it under consideration that this is close enough. Anyway, if we want the angle to be pi, that means we want a straight angle going around this way, like so. So the measure to get there would be pi. This is our angle. So we're landing over here. Or it'd be a bit more circular if I had actually drawn it properly, but, well, we're going to pretend I did that. Anyway, if we want to identify our functions here, it's just a matter of remembering what they identify. So I'm just going to draw them all out right now. Sine, cosine, tangent, along with cosecant, secant, and cotangent, where sine is the vertical component. Sine is y, but in this case, when we're going all the way over to here, we're going to end up at the point negative 1, 0. That's where this point is that we're on. So, the vertical component here is 0. While the horizontal component would be negative 1. And then the ratio of those two, y over x, 0 over negative 1, would be 0. Meanwhile, for these, well, we have 1 over 0 for cosecant, because cosecant is the reciprocal of sine, which unfortunately does not exist, or you could say it's undefined. Not that big of a deal which one you say for my terms. I usually just write D and E because it's faster. But that's not defined. 1 over negative 1 is still negative 1. And then down here, we again have something that does not exist. And we're going to spend some more time this section building up the general shape of the unit circle and how that general shape works with the trig functions, but it's probably a good idea to start building back what those main pieces are in the unit circle all the way around, but especially in the first quadrant as we're developing this stuff. Next, we're going to talk about some more general behavior of, in particular, these two, sine and cosine, which we spend a long time with in this class.